Hello, my name is Kim. I am a native English speaker and I'm a tutor at Cambly. In today's lesson, we will discuss prepositions. Have you ever listed prepositions but wondered, how can I use that preposition in a sentence? In today's lesson, we will define what a preposition is, we will list common prepositions, and we will also use these prepositions in a sentence. First, let's go ahead and define what a preposition is. A preposition in grammar is a word that typically tells where something is or when something is relative to something else. Let's go ahead and list common prepositions. They are in, on, over, under, behind, in front of, next to, around, and between. Today we will focus on where something is in relation to something else. Let's do this by also giving sentences with these prepositions. The first preposition, in. Now, as I'm telling you the sentences, please think of these three things: a cat, a basket, and a rug. Once again, in. The cat is in the basket. Where is the cat in relation to the basket? It's in the basket. Next preposition, on. The cat is on the rug. Where is the cat in relation to the rug? It's on the rug. That's correct. The next preposition, over. The cat jumped over the rug. Where is the cat in relation to the rug? You're correct again. It's over the rug. The next preposition, under. The cat crawled under the rug. Where is the cat in relation to the rug? Under the rug. Next preposition, behind. The cat sat behind the basket. Where is the cat in relation to the basket? You got it. Behind the basket. The next preposition, in front of. The cat sat in front of the basket. Where is the cat in relation to the basket? In front of the basket. The next preposition, next to. The cat sat next to the basket. Where is the cat in relation to the basket? You're correct, next to the basket. Next preposition, around. The cat ran around the basket. Where is the cat in relation to the basket? Around the basket. And last preposition, between. Let's use that in a sentence. The cat sat between the basket and the rug. Where is the cat in relation to the basket and the rug? Between. Wow, very good. Well, that concludes our preposition lesson, but I wanted to mention Cambly to you. Some of you may be familiar with Cambly and some of you may not. Cambly is an awesome program. You're able to learn English anywhere, anytime, and you can learn them from tutors who are native tutors, native speaking tutors like me. So I hope that this interests you, because Cambly would be a great program for you to learn English. You can learn on your phone, you can learn on your laptop, and on your iPad. Give Cambly a try. To make an appointment, click on the link below. Thank you for joining us. See you soon. Goodbye.